Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech EPU, and today's topic is how to create a multiple YouTube channels on a single Gmail. This video is especially for those who want to create multiple YouTube channels on a single email. So let's start the video. Open your browser and search here youtube.com, and now click on the right side top on this icon, and in the next list you have to click on the switch accounts. Now there is only a single channel is shown. We will further click on the view all channels. On the next page you can see there is only a single channel is created on this email. So I want to create more channels on this email. Just click on the create a channel. Now on the next page YouTube is asking to type your channel name. You can use your own name that you already have decided to use. So I will use, click on this checkbox that I understand to create a new. After this click on the create. Our second channel is successfully created. Now you can check again back with the same procedure that I already have told you. You can see now here is two channels are shown. Now I am clicking on the view all channels. Here you can see now there are two channels. Now I am creating the third one. Same procedure, click on the create a channel, type your channel name, click on the this checkbox and click create. Now the third channel is also successfully created. We will repeat the same procedure to check back. Now three channels are created, so I am creating another one. Repeat the same procedure to create the channel. Fourth one is also created successfully. Now I am checking back again. Here you can see we have successfully created three more channels on the same email. So with the help of this video you can create multiple YouTube channels on a single email. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.